Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to buy gift cards from PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to buy gift cards on PayPal, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome over here. And after opening your preferred browser guys, on this interface at the top of the screen there will be a search bar on any browser. Click on there and type in the address paypal.com. Give a backslash and type in gifts. And guys, make sure to enter the gifts after this backslash guys, and hit on enter on your keyboard, and then you'll be directed to the gift card page of PayPal. So let's wait for it. And on this page loads guys, this kind of interface will be available for you. Now in order to buy your gift cards guys, you can see all of your gift cards available for us over here, but if you click on the card section, you'll be on just the card section over here. You can see now, in order to buy a gift card from PayPal, let's go with a popular one. So I'll be just clicking on the Google Play gift code, since it's a popular one and everybody is using it. And with that being said guys, after clicking on the gift card, you'll land over here where there will be some of the details over here, and with certain terms and conditions which you'll be required to read before you proceed. And after reading all of the information guide, you can see there is the amount of the gift card which you want to buy from the PayPal. So I'll be just going with $25, and over here you must choose either this is a gift for somebody else or it is for you. So after choosing, so I'll be just buying the gift card for me and not for else, so I'll be clicking on this is for me. And after doing that, you'll be required to click on the add to cart button over here, and that gift card will be added to your cart over here on your PayPal gift card section, where at the top right corner you can see the cart option available for us. Click on the cart option available for us at the top right corner after clicking on this button where it says add to cart, and let's click on it. And all of the gift card which you want to buy from the PayPal will be available over here. You can see this is the Google Play gift code which we had just ordered or clicked on. Now to proceed from over here, scroll down, you can see your total payment amount over here. Click on the buy now button, and then you'll be directed to the PayPal of your account or the login page of PayPal. Over here you can see where it says pay with PayPal. To do that, enter your email address of your PayPal account over here. Enter your email address over here of your PayPal account, whichever may it be. Click on the next button over here and go through the procedure, and then that gift card will be purchased and sent to your account on PayPal. And with that being done guys, after that gift code will be available on your email or on your PayPal. You retrieve that code and you'll be able to redeem it wherever you like. And with that being said guys, this is how to buy gift card on PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.